Is that yummy?
It's like gurgly tummy. Very ladylike. Oh. Uh-oh.
Do you want to peel it?
I could do this colour swap, just the orange.
You could do like cardboard boxes in the background.
Oh. Yep. Where's that one? Oh, yeah.
She didn't have one yesterday, so she's making up for it.
Do that one for her. She can have another one.
Yeah. However, I've never seen her not eat 3 clementines or 4 clementines in a row if you give them to her. 1 minute. I'm going as fast as I can. Okay. Are you a monkey? We're dry to the juicer.
Must be a pint of juice in there, big.
Is it a bit?
I bet there's loads. Put it in your bottle.
Hand clapping good. Too much?
Not enough.
You did just eat an entire lamb.
Oh, that's a mouthful.
Lamb, broccoli, and carrot dinner. And cheese and carrots. And celery. That's not the part that's that tasty, remember? This part's tastier. Beatrice, I'm going to eat your clementine. I'm going to eat your clementine. No. Don't rub it in your eyes, sweetie. Put a little broccoli on your face. She loves squeezing the juice with your hands. The human juicer. Look at that bib.
You're gonna upend it.
That'd be amazing.
B, look, there's more. There's more. Oh.
Awesome.
Let's give me like a 10-minute video of her eating Satsuma. Clementine. B, look. B.
Rawish flavored broccoli.
Squelch. Mama. Dada. Is that it? Oh, a bit more.
Mama. What about Mama?
Okay. Wave bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Bee.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bea, bye-bye.
High five. Whoa!